So you're ready to start a YouTube channel from scratch and don't know where to begin. Whether you're starting with 0 subscribers or you're stuck in the early stages, this video will take you from day one all the way to monetization. And yes, we're talking real strategies, YouTube SEO tips, growth hacks, and how to actually make money doing what you love. Stick around to learn to grow on YouTube fast, how to get your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and how to turn your passion into profit. First things first, let's set up your YouTube channel right away. Step 1, create a Google account. Quick walkthrough, keep it brief. Step 2, define your niche. Pick a niche you're passionate about. Use tools like Google Trends or TubeBuddy to find what's in demand. Keyword drop. YouTube niche ideas, trending YouTube topics, and TubeBuddy for beginners. Channel name, unique, searchable, memorable. Profile picture and banner, use Canva or Snappa. About section, include keywords like beginner, YouTube tutorial, tech reviews, etc. You want someone to land on your channel and instantly know what they're getting. That's your first shot at winning a subscriber. Now, let's talk content. Choose a video idea that solves a problem. Use tools like Answer the Public or YouTube Search Autocomplete. Keyword drop. How to get more views on YouTube. Best beginner YouTube video ideas. Hook in the first 10 seconds. Here's how I gained 100 subscribers in 7 days. That's one way to hook them. Keep the video visually engaging. Use B-roll, jump cuts, and captions. Edit like a pro. Use CapCut, VN, or DaVinci Resolve. Add text layovers, royalty-free music, and visual hooks. Uploading is just the beginning. Now we play the YouTube SEO game. The title, tags, and description. Use long tail keywords. How to start a YouTube channel in 2025. For first 2 lines of your description equals SEO gold. Tags. Use relevant tags, but don't stuff them. Create click-worthy thumbnails. Use bold text, contrast, and emotion. Test different thumbnails with A/B tools like TubeBuddy and the new one they released on YouTube. Playlist and watch time. Organize content by topic. Encourage binge watching with end screens and cards. Keyword drop. YouTube SEO 2025. How to get views on YouTube. Grow YouTube channel fast. YouTube monetization isn't just about luck, it's strategy. Step 1, 1,000 subs plus 4,000 watch hours. Post 2 to 3 times a week if possible. Go live, it boosts watch time. Use shorts to bring in subscribers. Step 2, engage with your audience. Pin a comment, ask viewers to like and subscribe. Reply to comments. YouTube loves engagement. Step 3, apply for monetization. Walk through the YouTube Partner Program. Enable ads, turn on super thanks, and look into channel memberships. Keyword drops, how to get monetized on YouTube fast, YouTube Partner Program, earn money on YouTube. Part 5. Once you're monetized, the income streams start opening up. AdSense primary, but not the biggest. Affiliate marketing, promote tools, gear, and software. Digital products, ebooks, presets, and templates. Sponsorships start with small brands. Use sites like channel pages or a collab space. keyword drop, how to make money on YouTube, affiliate marketing for beginners, YouTube passive income. You've got everything you need to go from zero to monetize. But here's the thing. None of this works without action. So here's your challenge. Upload your first video this week. Optional bonus offer, commit. Comment below with your channel name and niche, and I'll personally check out a few and give some feedback. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you never miss a strategy. Link to a free checklist or cheat sheet in the description. Your YouTube monetization fast track PDF. If you message me, I will DM. If you DM me, I'll go ahead and send that to you. Thanks for watching, and remember, every big channel started with one single video. Yours could be next.